Could you use AI to brainstorm a billion-dollar business? Are you ready to challenge the boundaries of innovation and question the very fabric of what defines a billion-dollar business idea? In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, the role of artificial intelligence is taking center stage, revolutionizing industries and reshaping the way we perceive entrepreneurship. But here's the intriguing part. What if we put the power of AI to the test and sought your opinion on what could be the next billion-dollar venture? We'll explore the symbiotic relationship between human ingenuity and AI's transformative potential, encouraging you to question, ideate, and envision the future of business in the age of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has firmly established its presence in the business world, where organizations adopting AI as a pivotal technology either for specialized purposes or seamlessly integrating it into their core enterprise software systems. Recent surveys offer insights into the growing adoption of AI among companies. For instance, in April 2023, a pulse poll conducted by professional services firm EY involving 254 technology leaders revealed that a staggering 90% of respondents were actively exploring AI platforms, including ChatGPT and Bing Chat. Furthermore, an impressive 80% of these organizations expressed their intentions to ramp up investments in AI over the coming year. Executives across various industries have signaled their interest in AI, primarily driven by a desire to enhance operational efficiency, increase productivity, reduce costs, gain competitive advantages, and meet the ever-evolving demands on the market. Notably, they have recognized the critical role of AI tools in making this technology more accessible to businesses of all sizes. Enterprise leaders have identified key areas where AI has put into action, with a focus on data security, process automation, and customer care. Natural language processing, or NLP, stands out as a prominent domain for AI adoption. Moreover, executives have acknowledged that AI is expanding its influence, extending beyond these initial areas of adoption and permeating virtually every facet of their organization. In popular culture, there is a pervasive belief in the eureka moment, the notion of a solitary creative genius having a brilliant idea, often illustrated by a sketch on the back of a cocktail napkin. However, the reality is that most groundbreaking business ideas emerge from a series of brainstorming sessions, iterative development, prototypes, and strategic pivots, a winding journey rather than a singular aha moment. For any entrepreneur, conceiving the next industry-disrupting business or blockbuster product is a formidable challenge. But today, the human mind has a formidable ally in the form of generative AI. Could AI be the catalyst that conjures the next billion-dollar business idea? Let's delve deeper into this question and explore the collaborative potential of AI in shaping the future of innovation and entrepreneurship. AI can help you brainstorm business ideas that align with emerging AI technologies, particularly the advancements in AI language models. These AI models are reshaping industries and opening up new possibilities. Let's explore potential business ideas that can leverage and make a possible billion-dollar business. In recent years, we've witnessed a groundbreaking AI breakthrough called ChatGPT, an artificial intelligence language model developed by OpenAI. This technology has the potential to answer questions intelligently and revolutionize the way we access information. Some predict that ChatGPT could disrupt traditional search engines like Google. This presents a unique opportunity for entrepreneurs and innovators to harness the power of AI and create billion-dollar businesses. In this video, we'll explore business ideas that can leverage ChatGPT and AI language models to tap into this transformative technology. Niche AI general assistants. While we already have AI virtual assistants like Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant, there's a vast opportunity to create specialized AI assistants tailored to specific niches. These AI models can be trained to provide expert guidance and assistance in areas such as fitness, travel, finance, or even niche hobbies. By focusing on specific domains, these assistants can offer more personalized and in-depth support to users. Imagine an AI fitness coach who not only tracks your workouts, but also understands your fitness goals, dietary preferences, and health conditions, providing tailored advice and motivation. Niche AI general assistants can become indispensable tools for individuals seeking expert guidance in various domains. AI-powered content creation assistants. Content creators, including YouTubers, bloggers, and social media influencers, are always looking for ways to streamline their content creation process. AI-powered content creation assistants can help by generating video scripts, blog posts, or social media captions. These assistants can analyze an influencer's style and preferences to create content that aligns with their unique voice. For example, a YouTube content creator can use an AI assistant to generate video scripts, which they can then review, edit, and personalize. This technology enables content creators to produce high-quality content at an unprecedented speed, helping them maintain engagement with their audience. Fully automated social media accounts and personalities. As AI language models become more sophisticated, it's becoming increasingly feasible to create fully automated social media accounts with AI-generated content. These accounts can emulate the personality and interest of real individuals or fictional characters. They can engage with followers, respond to comments, and even post content regularly. Imagine having a virtual influencer or a celebrity with an AI-driven personality managing their own social media presence. Brands and marketers can collaborate with these AI personalities for promotional campaigns, opening up a new frontier in influencer marketing. AI-enhanced YouTube thumbnail and title optimization. YouTube content creators often experiment with video thumbnails and titles to improve their click-through rate and overall video performance. AI can significantly accelerate this process by split testing various thumbnails and titles to identify the most effective combinations. AI can significantly accelerate this process by split testing various thumbnails and titles to identify the most effective combinations. An AI tool dedicated to YouTube optimization could help creators increase their video views and ad revenue. By continuously analyzing viewer behavior and preferences, it can refine recommendations to boost engagement and retention. AI-powered code debugging and app development. AI is not limited to language models. It has the potential to assist developers in debugging and coding tasks. AI-powered code debugging tools can identify and suggest fixes for errors in software code. Additionally, AI can simplify app development for individuals with limited coding experience. Imagine a platform where users can describe their app idea, and AI assists in generating the code and building the app. This democratization of app development can open up opportunities for individuals and small businesses to bring their ideas to life without extensive coding knowledge. Personalized AI learning coaches. With the advancement of AI language models, personalized learning experiences are on the horizon. AI can serve as a virtual learning coach, understanding an individual's learning style, strengths, and weaknesses. It can recommend tailored educational content, practice exercises, and study plans. Imagine having an AI coach that helps students and lifelong learners optimize their study sessions, adapt to their progress, and provide explanations in a way that resonates with their unique learning preferences. This could revolutionize online education and personalized learning. AI-generated creative writing services. AI language models excel at generating written content, making them valuable tools for businesses and professionals seeking creative writing services. These AI platforms can produce marketing copy, product descriptions, blog posts, and even poetry with remarkable speed and quality. Businesses can leverage AI-generated content to enhance their online presence, improve SEO, and engage their audience with compelling narratives. By automating content creation, companies can reduce costs and increase their content output. Virtual reality AI personalities. Virtual reality or VR offers immersive experiences, and AI can enhance these experiences by introducing AI personalities into VR environments. Users can interact with AI-driven characters, tour historical settings with AI tour guides, or engage in realistic conversations with AI avatars. Imagine a VR experience where users explore ancient civilizations with AI historian providing context and storytelling. These possibilities for entertainment, education, and virtual travel are limitless with AI-powered VR personalities. The era of AI language models like ChatGPT has ushered in a new frontier of business opportunities. Entrepreneurs and innovators can use these AI technologies to create billion-dollar businesses across various domains. Not only ChatGPT, but there are hundreds and thousands of AIs popping around the internet. Whether it's specialized AI assistants, content creation tools, social media automation, or personalized learning coaches, the potential for AI-driven ventures is vast and transformative. By leveraging the capabilities of AI, businesses can offer enhanced services, streamline processes, and cater to individualized needs, ultimately shaping the future of technology and entrepreneurship. The potential of AI in shaping the future of business innovation is boundless. As we've explored various AI-powered business ideas and their real-world applications, it's evident that AI has the capacity to drive transformative change across industries. There's a remarkable opportunity for entrepreneurs and innovators to harness these technologies' capabilities and create billion-dollar ventures. The collaboration between human creativity and AI's computational power holds the promise of birthing the next category-creating business or revolutionary product. So whether you're envisioning a niche AI assistant, an AI-powered content creator, or an entirely new AI-driven venture, the future of billion-dollar business ideas lies in the synergy between human ingenuity and the limitless potential of AI. Embrace this transformative era, and who knows, the next billion-dollar business idea might just be a brainstorm away. Drop us a comment below. Please like and share. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more enlightening content. Until next time!